Before I tell you my life story, I'm a college graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management from Palawan State University. I did my OJT at El Nido Resorts, Lagan Island Resort, and a Pulit Island Resort in Taytay, Palawan. After that, I was observed as a food attendant. When I resigned, I applied at the Legend Palawan as a food attendant and later on became a housekeeping desk coordinator. I resigned before they closed down. Then I worked at a restaurant. I started as a cashier until I applied for the assistant restaurant manager position. I love customer service, but as time went on, I started going to work with no spark anymore. Like I was just showing up for the salary. Slowly, the idea came, what if I become a teacher? So I took my 18 units at Fulbright, Fulbright College in Palawan. It was fun. I learned new things. I met new people. After finishing my units while still working at a restaurant, I decided to resign. I thought everything would get better after that, but it didn't. I took the board exam. I failed on my first attempt, so I decided to focus on reviewing. No review center, just self review. No backup plan. All I wanted was to pass so I could apply to DepEd or to any government agencies. When I finally passed and became an LPT, I didn't know what to do next. I was scared to apply because I didn't know the process. I was scared to ask because I was afraid they'd laugh at me. So I researched on YouTube. That's when I decided to apply at Bucor. I was so excited. I started jogging, working out, going back and forth to the office just to fix requirements. I didn't give up until the qualifying exam came, and it was my fault. I didn't follow the instruction to not write on the questionnaire. I was overthinking and I ended up writing on it. Right there, I knew I had no chance anymore. I tried applying to private schools too. Send resumes through emails, send resumes in person, Even had a demo the next day after they texted me. Got interviewed, but still wasn't hired. I tried applying to private schools too. Sent resumes through emails, sent resumes in person, even had a demo the next day after they texted me. Got interviewed but still wasn't hired. I tried going back to the hospitality industry, but they'd say you'll just leave because you have a license. So I removed my 18 units from my resume. Then they'd ask, what did you do during those years? If I included it, they'd say, I'd leave anyway because I am a licensed teacher. Some were more interested in when I was getting married than if I was fit for the job. Sometimes I doubt myself. Should I continue in private or just wait for government with all its processes?
Hello guys! Today, ngayon nga pala yung TRF namin. Hindi ko na sabihin yung school, kung anong pangalan. Mamayang 1:30. Then, ito nga pala yung mga pinractice ko na essay sa mga possible na magiging sagot ko kung ito yung magiging questions. So, ito siya. Yan. Yan. Ayun. So, kailangan pa rin na mag-review or mas maganda pa rin na prepared tayo. Kasi pagdating doon, 'di ba? At least meron man lang tayong masagot agad. So kung meron man tayong mapag-isipan is siguro yun yung hindi natin alam na question or hindi natin na prepared na question for TRF, 'di ba? So hopefully sana maging successful and sana yun pa rin kung ano yung mga na-review ko na questions, sana yun yung lumabas. At hindi ko makalimutan kung ano yun. At bakit tatanungin nyo, bakit ko minimorize? Or bakit ko inaaral? Bakit hindi kailangan on the spot na lang na sagutin? Kasi sariling experience at um, sarili mo naman talaga yung pagdating sa TRF eh. Pero, mas maganda pa rin talaga yung mga pinaghandaan mo. Kasi katulad na lang, na hindi naman ako kagalingan sa English, 'di ba? So kailangan kong i-practice yung grammar ko pagdating doon. Although alam ko yung content or alam ko yung sasabihin ko doon, alam ko yung sagot pero hindi ganoon katalino yung English ko pagdating sa pag sinulat ko na, 'di ba? So kailangan talaga i-practice yung grammar. At ayun, siguro pagkatapos ng TRF, yung result, malalaman namin. I don't know when, pero siguro, hindi ko kasi ito ipopost. Ginawa ko tong video na to para i-document kung ano yung mga ginagawa ko before ako naging teacher. Ngayon is March 17, 2026. And siguro kung makakapasa man ako, makakapasok man ako sa DepEd at maging teacher man ako, kung pala rin ako, siguro pag nakapasok na ako, hindi ko muna siya sasabihin sa vlogs ko. Siguro first year, hindi pa rin siguro mga third year siguro na nagtuturo ako sa DepEd. Maybe baka pwede kong ma-share sa inyo. Siguro kasi mga first year, second year is parang nasa stage pa ako ng inaaral ko pa or dinedevelop pa yung sarili ko formal teaching, 'di ba? Kasi wala pa naman akong experience pagdating sa formal teaching, only for kasi nga unit earner lang po ako. Kaya double kayod talaga. Kailangang alamin yung mga bagay-bagay kasi hindi tayo education graduate. At ayun. So, siguro after 3 years, pag natanggap ako dito sa DepEd is i-share ko sa inyo yung journey ko. Today, mark this month, date, and year, which is March 17, 2026, and pag ibigay ni Lord, magiging teacher ako, magtuturo ako, at i-share ko ito sa inyo at may inspire kayo after 3 years pag nakapasok ako sa DepEd. Okay? Wish me luck. Bye! Okay, so may result na yung yung ano natin, yung ranking natin. So, pasado tayo sa individual evaluation sheet natin. So, meron akong, sa education ko is 0. Sa training is 10. Sa experience, 0 din tayo. Then, sa let rating naman is 8.12 ang actual score. Then, sa demonstration, meron tayong 22.17. And then, sa TRF, meron tayong 22.5. So, the total of 62.79. So, nakapasa tayo. Nakapasa ako. For Teacher 1 application under senior high school. So, yun lang guys. Update ko lang kayo kasi nga yun, sabi ko nga 'di ba, i-update ko yung mga nangyayari sa regarding dito sa application ko sa DepEd. So, yun lang, bye. It's ano nga pala, ang date ngayon is April 20, 2026. So, that's all. Bye-bye.
It's heartbreaking when you have a license and you're waiting, you can't even find a job, even when you're trying. Sometimes I even lie just to get hired. Still nothing. It feels like fate is so hard on me. So I tried again. I went for ranking, practice, demo teaching every single day, talking to myself to master it. But in the end, it wasn't even what we were asked to demo. You forget everything you memorized, but you still have to keep going. I watched so many techniques just to pass the TRF, and I did. I passed the ranking as a teacher, but until now, no call from them. Slowly, I started asking myself again, were my decision in life right? All I know is I did everything I could. Now, I'm at home doing house chores, cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, researching on YouTube how to earn online. I started YouTube, tried digital products, Gumroad, Rocket PH, and Etsy. I'm still learning them. There's still no income, but I'm still going. I don't know where I'm headed with all my goals in life. I don't even know the answer. For now, I'm surrendering everything to Him. Sometimes I think about going abroad, but I'm scared. Can I handle it? Is my body strong enough? Will I be safe there? But if we keep being scared, nothing will ever happen. Right now, I'm not sure where I'm going.